Hi guys, Matilda here. I'm at TT Liquor, Mixology's flagship venue in Shoreditch. Today we're going to show you how to make a Bakewell Fizz, one of the cocktails from our cocktail making classes. This in-house creation has been modeled off the quintessentially English flavors of the Bakewell tart. The ingredients are in the description below, and here's Kay to show us the recipe.
Alright guys, it's Kay back here at TT Liquor. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Bakewell Fizz. This is a really fun little cocktail and it's a fizz, so we're going to be serving it long with something fizzy. Now I'm going to shake this drink and then finish it in the glass we serve it in. So first thing I need is the bottom half of my shaker. All my ingredients are going to go into that. First ingredient going into our Bakewell Fizz is the kind of almondy part of this drink, which is going to come in the form of some Disaronno amaretto. Now we want 35 mils of our Disaronno. Perfect, there we go. Right, next thing going into our Bakewell Fizz is going to be the cherry Heering, which is the original cherry liqueur, dates all the way back to 1818. This stuff's quite sweet, as is the Disaronno, so we don't need too much of it. We're only going to be using 10 mils of our cherry Heering. This is going to help cut through the sweetness of the Disaronno and the cherry Heering. Again, I don't need too much. I just want 20 mils of my cranberry juice. The final ingredient going into my shaker is going to be some fresh lemon juice. And I'll just cut this in half, ready to squeeze. Now I want 25 mils or about a shot of lemon juice. Give that a little squeeze and that brings us up to a perfect 25 mils. Pop that in there with the other ingredients. Just fill this right up with cubed ice, like so. We'll pop the tin on, give it a little smack to seal it, and we're going to shake this for about 15 seconds, like so. Fantastic, that's all shaken up, so I'm going to pop it open. Now the fizz in this drink, continuing with the fun theme, is coming in the form of some cream soda. We got this classic cream soda you will have seen in the shop as a kid. We don't need very much of this. I'm just going to pour a little splash into the bottom of our glass here. There we go. And I'm going to go ahead and strain the rest of our cocktail over our cream soda. And we'll just finish this drink by icing it down. I'm going to use a bit of cubed ice, and to make it extra pretty, I'm going to top it with a little bit of crushed as well. There we go. So finally we just want to garnish this, and the perfect garnish for this is going to be a nice little lemon wheel. So I'll grab my lemon from earlier, just slice a nice thin wheel off of that, and we'll use that for our garnish. Beautiful. And that is our Bakewell Fizz ready to drink.